Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Chaplot. I run a cafe by the name Fugal in Udaipur, Panchvati area, and I stay with my parents and my husband. I have been in this industry for the past 2.5 years, and this journey has been really interesting for me because food is a passion for me. I'm being a Maharashtrian and my mom being a South Indian and being married to a Rajasthani, have seen a lot of different cultures in food, like small masala dibbi, what you call in every kitchen is different in different regions and different states. So that has really inspired me in cooking, and that has actually helped me in making different flavors of different regions. So I used to work in IndusInd Bank earlier. Then I have also worked with Axis Bank. Then when I moved to Goa after my marriage, I was working with a magazine called Smart Goa, and have also covered International Film Festival of Goa and did a cover story for them. After that, when we moved to Udaipur, we decided to start with a cafe called Fugal. And then eventually, when the response was good and our innovative and fusion food was liked by the people of Udaipur, we decided to do outdoor catering, and we have done around 50 to 55 events till now, and we cater from 100 people to 5,000 people. So after being from different backgrounds, when we decided to move into food industry, people were not ready to accept it easily. That being educated people, how can you start with a cafe or something like that? That's not a job for us. So we had a resistance from people for this industry. But we decided to move on because we had in our mind that we will go ahead with this, and we have this passion in us, and we don't want to regret in life after a long time that we didn't do this because we were not allowed to do this by the people. So that was a real struggle for us, which I think most of the entrepreneurs or young people face in the society. But then I guess you should go ahead with what your heart says. I really get inspired by Mrs. Sudha Murthy, founder and chairperson of Infosys, because she being a lady entrepreneur, she has done so many things in her life, right from supporting her husband, being a first engineer from telco and getting a job over there. I mean, she has really inspired me in a lot of things. Apart from that, now she's working as a social worker and she has written so many books. So she is not for just a generation, but she's for ages, I guess. And I get inspired by her books as well. So the one quote that really inspired me from Sudha Murthy is that in life failures are essential. So earlier we had a small cafe, like 250 square foot, and now we have moved to a bigger cafe, to a bigger place that is around 1200 square foot, and it has around 40 sitting capacity. And in that we have a few games. We have projector for the matches and all for the movies. Then we have a small area where you can do your small meetings and explain your products to your customers and show some PPT or some kind of presentation to them and tell them in detail how your work will go on. Apart from that, our specialty is that we have only female staff because we want to empower women, and because they can actually take care of things very well. First most important thing is dedication. You need to have dedication in terms of quality, in terms of getting the customers, in terms of everything. I guess dedication is very important. You cannot have an excuse for anything and everything. I guess I would buy a lot of land and grow organically grown vegetables over there, and set up a cafe where everything will be organic and everything will be home cooked, and people will have some space and time for their own. I grew up in Ichalkaranji. It's my hometown near Kolhapur, Maharashtra. And childhood memories, I guess there was a library in my town which I really liked, and like spending time over there because there are a lot of books, right from Agatha Christie, right from Pula Deshpande, a Maharashtrian author, Truckee Atre poet, and Faster Fene, Harry Potter, everything and everything. I guess experience is more important because life is full of experiences and it teaches you everything every day. And people teach you a lot of things, I guess, more than any particular course of syllabus. I am part of BNI, so it's a business networking international where we have a set of people and you exchange referrals amongst you and you promote each other's business by being the salesperson for each other. I like reading books, I like listening to music, I like writing poetry and writing. small essays. And apart from that, I enjoy walking on Fateh Sagar whenever I'm in Udaipur. I want to inspire people and not become a topic of gossip. Thank you, everyone. If you really find my story inspiring, you can follow us here. If you feel you have an inspiring story, you can connect with us on WorkMob and share your story. Thank you.